If you'd like to see how I'm going to transform these unicorn children's Crocs into these lovely, blingy, glamorous shoes, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube! Today in this video, I'm going to be embellishing these children's size 10 toddler unicorn Crocs. This is my first time seeing them with the little unicorn thingy on them. So I was like, oh, that's pretty interesting. I think they're already cute with nothing on them. But I'm still gonna go ahead and cover this up. I already picked out the pearls and rhinestones I'm going to use. They're gonna be very colorful, kind of like how the shoe is. And I think I'm just gonna try to add some embellishments to this area right here since it's already kind of sticking up. I don't want it to just be plain. First thing first, I will be using a wax pickup tool to pick up my stones and pearls. I'll be using E6000 glue. E6000 is the best when it comes to doing shoes, and also rubber. Liquid Fusion, I use that on plastics and cups and things of that nature, but it does not, I repeat, do not use Liquid Fusion on your shoes. I've done it and it was not a good outcome. I have designer charms, but because these shoes are children's size, the little plungers don't fit in these holes. So I'll be using some little cute kawaii charms that I purchased off Amazon. And if you are interested in these charms, I do have them available. I'll have links available where you can purchase these. Now I also have these cute large gem decorational charms. I think these should fit in these shoes, hopefully. So I picked out a few of these. I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. Now when I do Crocs, the first thing you want to do is get some sandpaper and kind of give them a little scrub, and then you'll wipe them off with some alcohol. Do that once or twice or so. You just want to make sure that it has a little scuffage to it, because you want to make sure everything that you put on here, you want to make sure it stays and that it's like a kind of a rough surface. And you can purchase sandpaper from Dollar Tree, Home Depot, places like that. Now I'm just going to take some 70% alcohol and I'm going to go ahead and wipe this shoe off. Okay, so first I'm going to see if I can put these in the shoe first. Then I'll start to work everything else on. Take your time putting in the gibbets or the Croc charms inside of the Crocs. I like to put them in at an angle and then kind of push it through with something sharp. For me, that's what works. It was a little hard because the holes on the children's size Crocs are smaller than the adult size Crocs. Then I like to take a bigger size pearl, which in this case I had an 8mm. I like to cover up all those Croc holes. So I'm just going to go ahead and just add on the rhinestones and pearls in no particular order. My style of doing the Crocs, I do a bit much. I like to add plenty of rhinestones, plenty of pearls, plenty of charms. I just like to do a lot. I don't like to see a bunch of spaces. I decided to go along the color of the unicorn's rainbow color hair with some of the same color rhinestones, just to make it pop even more. The shoe was already pretty busy before I added anything, so I just made it even more busier. But I think it's coming out pretty nice, especially if you're into the whole rainbow and colorful thing. I'm just continuing to take my time and just kind of go along with the color coordination of the rainbow hair here. And this shoe won't take as long because it is pretty small, but I really like the direction that this shoe is taking. This would be something so cute for like a birthday girl or someone starting their first day of school. These would just make such a lovely gift. I did her mom's shoes actually, and those were pretty jazzy as well. These are also very nice for just the everyday look. This is something that I would definitely just wear every day, or my daughter would wear something like this. Okay, so as you can see, I am adding rhinestones to the horn of the unicorn on the shoe. And I think it looks pretty good to be covered up instead of just sitting there. It just, I had to use a nice amount of glue, and it made sense to add pink, the same color as the horn. And I think it's coming out pretty nice. So I am working on the second shoe now, doing the same thing with the unicorn colorful rainbow hair, just kind of going along the rainbow hair with the same colors that I'm using. This is pretty simple. It may look like a lot, but it's really simple because I'm just using this hair as an outline. As you can see right here, I'm squeezing out a hefty amount. I was almost running out of glue, but I'm adding this nice little size candy kawaii charm, and I want to make sure it stays. So you want to add a little more glue when you're adding those bigger size charms and those big pearls. So this is almost complete, and I just think this is so exciting. It's really busy, but it's super cute. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result. These are absolutely amazing. I like what I ended up doing to the unicorn horn because it just made sense to do something to it than to just have it sticking up. I love the colors of the combination here. It's a lot going on. They're super busy, but they're so girly. They're so girly. They're just lovely. And I think these came out really pretty. The customer loved them. She absolutely loved them, and that's all that really matters. You can do something like this, or you can definitely go a lot less and just add a little bit here and there, but I really like how these came out. Do you think your daughter or your granddaughter or your niece would like something like this? I think most little girls probably would like some little dolled up shoes. I would at least allow them to dry for maybe, I'd say, about 24 to 48 hours, or have them in front of a fan. But I just want to thank you guys for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Share it on Facebook if you'd like to, or if possible. Subscribe to this channel if you want to. If not, thanks for stopping by. Be sure to check out my playlist with other shoes that I've embellished. And thanks again. Bye-bye.